I mean, it's mind-blowing what's happening. And Pramod, my other student, he bought 78 units over there in Chicago area for zero money down. You know him a little bit.
Yeah, I know Promote, and Chicago is a market that looks like there's opportunity right now. Chicago's one of those markets.
Bought it for 3 million. He just told us last night, appraised at 6.6 million.
That's how you do it.
In 1.5 years, they did the renovation of all the 78 units, and it's just beautiful now. From 3 million, zero money down, right, to 6.6 million appraisal. Kudos.
That's the way it's done. So Vinney, if I were to look at what is happening right now in the hotel space and in the apartment space, people got here because they were not doing the right things, right? So 80-20 works in the wrong things too. So 80% of your problems are caused by 20% of your actions. What is it that you've seen so that people can prevent it? What is an activity that operators were doing that was detrimental to their success, or something they weren't doing that would have benefited their success?
Very good point. Very, very good. Last 3 years have been really bleeding years, in multifamily, because the newbies, they underwrote not with strong assumptions, and they didn't foresee the market, of course, but then the interest rates never went down. I mean, that's what they were banking on. They took bridge loans, which expired, or they don't want to refinance, or the the rate locks also went up high to buy down the rates, all those things. Insurance went up, property taxes went up, so underwriting wise, when we did the numbers, I remember 3-4 years back, we walked away from lots of multifamily, but other people were overbidding. We said, how can they make money? So
they can't.
After they got caught, they got caught in that whole mess by overpaying, and then the expenses didn't go down, rents didn't go up like they projected in their performance and everything. It's a crash right there, So that's what happened. Yeah.
So it's the underwriting. It's in the underwriting. But let's pretend Vinney Chopra got into a deal like this.